Queensland.com.au, we wanted to bring all of our different charity initiatives together under one program and specifically focus on women, children and the community in which we live and operate.
I think it's a very good initiative to have, especially as a company, so that we know that we stand for something. We know that beyond the business that we do, and we do great work as well at work, we actually can go beyond that, and there's a human side to us, and we go out and obviously try and impact other people's lives as well.
We have a long list of things that we always need. The consumables, nappies, wipes, toiletries for mums, dads, kids and babies, as well as those really big items, your cots, car seats, bassinets and prams.
We could not do what we do without our volunteers, so they are the heart of everything we do here. In terms of what's happening today with the large number of volunteers that are here, this is weeks worth of work that I could be achieving, and it's double the number that we would normally have. So it's double the effort and double the output for our warehouse here.
It's actually great to have work somewhere where there's actually allow you to do volunteer work, and it's also paid day. It's very rewarding personally. I think it's just going out in the community, sort of getting away from all the meetings and seeing that we're actually part of a bigger picture, not just there to do home loans and car loans every day.
I chose Baby Give Back because I am a mum. I've got 2 kids, and just seeing all of the stuff that I hoard at home, not knowing what to do with it, it's a great cause to be able to just donate to and know that it's going to the right place.